another one. It's been a real long time since I've said hello, talked into this here helmet of mine. How's everybody doing? This is my first ride of the new year, actually. There you go. I just, after the better part of 2 months of talking about tightening the chain, I actually went out and checked the slack on it. Was totally mortified. Can't believe I had ridden on that. I haven't ridden for a few weeks. Was very busy working, then the holidays, family were here, and then the holidays and stuff, so it's like even when I was off. And then, dude, the weather sucked. It was like rainy and gray for like a week or more. And then I got sick. So here we are. Here we are. One thing again now, so I just tightened the chain for the first time, and the I had to run to Harbor Freight to get the for the rear tire axle. I needed to get the socket 24 millimeter, or I think it ended up being the 24 one. Of course, you gotta buy a whole goddamn set, right? So that's the thing. And then I get there and I start doing that, and I'm like, all right, let's loosen this. And then I'm like, well, wait a minute, when I need to re-torque it back, like, I have one torque wrench, and those of you who have ever bought a torque wrench know they're like mad expensive for like one tool. Like, so I didn't have a 1/2-inch bit on my torque wrench, so I had to run over to my dad's and grab his, or one of his. And so yeah, like, it's like you always need one more thing, or you got to run out and go get something, or you got to borrow something. Thankfully, like, I was not gonna be happy if I had to go buy a torque wrench as well, you know, the next day. I went yesterday to Harbor Freight, and then I was like, oh shit, I still need that, you know. So it's like you make multiple trips, and I don't even know how much a torque wrench big enough, you know, long enough for you to put like 70 Newton meters for this rear axle. I don't even know how much that would cost. I'm gonna guess $55 just for the torque wrench, but it's all good. It's still just, it's infuriating when, like, I bought this socket wrench set, and it's like I needed the biggest one in the set, and you can't just buy one 24 millimeter socket. Or I wonder where you would have to go to do that, to find that, like a used parts, tools store thing. I don't know. I'm on the way to the airport. I'm gonna go do some flying on this beauteous day. Here's our gun range, high gun range. Is going in down there. I always was wondering what's going in down there, or what that property was going to be. Good for them. Good for them. I was gonna make a video of me doing this chain tightening, but it's like, it's so difficult to show what you're trying to do, and I was thinking, I brought the GoPro out, so I apologize, those of you who really look forward to those motorcycle maintenance videos. I'll do one soon. I'll figure something out. I'll clean I'll clean the bike chain. We'll clean it. Coming soon to a cold barn near you. You know, it's like I actually wouldn't have minded having to sit there for a little bit and warm up. Feels good with the chain tightened though. It's crazy that you can tell the difference. I could tell, having never tightened one before and like thought about, oh, what's it like loose versus tight. It's like I could tell I needed to do it, you know. No brakes. None needed. Feeling I'm gonna have to stop right here. No? Cool. As I said though, I wouldn't mind it. Warm up the limbs. I could have probably, I should have. It's funny, like yesterday I got all layered up like I was gonna do this bike chain, and then I was gonna go for a ride, and I ended up not, but I was all layered up like crazy. And then now today I'm not as layered up as I was yesterday, and I wish I was, but that's okay. Nice Tesla, sir. Got the batteries in my heated gloves, but I don't have the heat on. wonder who was parking here so much that they felt the need to put all of these no parking anytime signs. Like, no one, I've never seen anyone try to park here, but they seem pretty hell-bent on making sure that you don't. Why aren't they over on that side? That's a lot of deers. Sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Recording. I don't think I have that much battery, so I don't know if I'll record the ride home, which is unfortunate, but there's a plane going in to land at the airport, sir. Definitely doing the heated gloves on the ride back though. We're almost there, so I'm not going to turn them on now, but that's what they're for, you know. Nice. Yeah, dude, why didn't I wear Sundays, wings and free beer? How? What? That can't be. They can't be serious. You guys got a green arrow, you know. There you go. Good job. How do they give away free beer? I feel like that's not legal or something. Gosh darn it. Flag nabbit. Now why is this a no turn on red? For why? Who are you to tell me? Well, hey guys, I applaud you for making it to this point. That is all I will say about that. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this ride as much as I did. Maybe you watched it in a heated blanket or something, laughing at me, drinking hot cocoa, or an Irish coffee. My tank looks like shit. It's really getting patinaed now, but I'm not doing it until it starts to get warmer. When I take it off, resand it, and all that crap, I can't be bothered. But it's a hell of a lot more patina than the last time I took a quick little video showing it or whatever. I should have covered it or something when it was sitting in the barn for like a month, but I didn't. It's my hunk of junk, you know. Alrighty, well, we'll be here at the airport. I don't see our plane or my dad's car. Whatever. I guess I can take my time getting my things off and doing all my things, you know. Alright. Ooh, Counterweight. We love that beer. Headway IPA. Good beer. Alright, actually, no, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think our plane is here yet. I'm 30 minutes early. Fuck, what am I gonna do? I was having too much fun. Alright. You guys want a quick walk around? The bike chain is tight and yeah, dude, this tank, whatever. It looks like I didn't clear coat it. I guess essentially I didn't, since it hasn't worked, but that's okay. Alrighty, we'll catch you later, world, for the 16th time. Really needs a bath, but it's just so cold, dude. I'm not, like, I don't want to wash my, you know, not in the cold. Okay. Take care now. Bye-bye then.